What's up, guys? Was just gonna show you again. Rented out the, your phone's going off in video. Don't stop it though. We're just gonna keep on going. Rented out the dumpster and they tried to move it and they had broke my tongue lock. But when I had got there this morning, they had me a new Reese tow power coupler lock. So I'm gonna be putting this on. This thing right here is a little more heavier duty than the one that I had. So very thankful. Going to put a clause in my rental agreement that says once the dumpster is dropped, it can't be moved. We may already have it in there, I'm not sure, but whether we do or whether we don't, it will have a clause in there from now on. There we go. Maybe not. Bear with me. It's hot out here. There we go. Heavy duty Reese. I'm very glad they replaced it for me, although they did not have to do that. This one actually has a little cover so the water can't get down in there and make that lock cylinder rusty. So I think it's supposed to be a little tighter than that. Try it anyway. Guess that's as tight as it's gonna get. There we go. Heather, would you get a good shot of that thing right there? That's the heavy duty one. I really appreciate them doing that. See you guys soon.